Yes, Black Friday 2022, Northern Tool and Equipment. Big thanks to the blackfriday.com. That's where I got this this ad. This is 2022. Northern Tool Black Friday 2022. All right, so Black Friday starts now. It says made for gift for giving. All right, so you got this is the Ironton 4-tier industrial rack, $229.99. You got a 2300 watts inverter generator, $499. This is actually it's an okay deal. It's not the best deal because we've seen them for like $350, $400. Mainly the 2000 watts. So this one's you're getting a little bit more, 2300 watts. You got the Black Line by Arkin, 3.5 quick lift service jack, $179.99. You got the 100-piece impact driver bit set with organizer, $49.99. It looks like it's compatible with the pack out. You got the 5100 BTU portable electric utility floor heater, $24.99. Got a 27 feet commercial grade ratchet tie down with J hooks, $9.99. Let's go over to the next page. And guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, and we do have some Milwaukee stuff coming up. It's a few pages down. All right, so you got the 25 feet extension, 16 gauge, $9.99. This is actually not a bad deal for an extension. You got the 10-piece pliers set, $29.99. Got the next 300-piece building set, $19.99. You got a Northern Tool rotating pneumatic stool, $39.99. You got the walkie-talkies, Cobra, $19.99. Got a circular saw. This looks like the Tech Life circular saw. $49.99 for that one. You got the 10,000 lumen motion sensor garage lights, $24.99. It's not a bad deal for this one. These are really bright, by the way. Well, not this brand, but you know, just the general LED lights. Got the screwdriver bit set, $24.99. Not a bad deal for this. I believe Tractor Supply had one similar version like this for like 19 bucks. $49.99 for the MP3 radio and hearing protection. All right, you got the LiveSmart 5100 BTU heater, $29.99. You got the 40 feet retractable cord reel, $69.99. Let's see what else. We got some cameras. Yes, guys, for security. You got the Swan Communications 2-pack, Full HD, 1080p Wi-Fi outdoor cameras, $99.99. These are nice. You can view. I believe you can download the app and view them at the. This is a really nice deal for the 6-ton jack stands, guys. These are a really good deal. You're not gonna find them anywhere else for $49.99. You got the Keter folding work table, $99.99. Let's see what else. Bunch of toys mixed in. All right, we got some Milwaukee's. You got a free with purchase. So I guess you buy this $499 kit, you get a free ratchet and battery. This $499 kit does include a high torque impact wrench. Looks like some sockets, impact rated sockets, a bag, a charger, 2 5-amp-hour batteries, a flashlight. So not a bad deal. I mean, it's not the best, but yeah, it's actually pretty good once you consider getting this for free. All right, so the pack outs would save up to $90 with the qualifying purchase of Milwaukee pack out items. See complete details for a store or online. Mix and match all models. Customize your own pack out system. Save $50 when you spend $199 or more, or save $90 when you spend $299 or more. Obviously, the $299 is going to get you the best deal. So definitely consider the $299. Most likely, this is going to equal to the $299. So it's gonna equal to the same, almost the same as the Home Depot. So just keep that in mind when you're buying that. Make sure you guys do your math. Got a Milwaukee M18 cut-off grinder. This is not brushless, so I'll keep that in mind. It's a brush tool. You got the 2 CP amp-hour batteries for $99. It's not too bad. You got a brushless drill driver, $99, or brushless combo kit, drill driver or impact driver. These are nice tools for once they're not that bad, not a bad deal. Pretty good deal on those. Got the jumper cables, $29.99. Says make for gift. Black Friday starts now. You got some gloves, nitrile coated gloves, $9.99. You got a 56-piece 3/8 drive ratchet and socket set, $99. You got a Blazer 2-pack, 12 24-volt 4 LED square work lights, $19.99. All right, you got some screwdriver, 12-piece screwdriver set, $19.99. Not a bad deal for this. It does include some, it looks like some stubbies and two smaller ones, which are, I believe they're precision. I don't know, I would have to look at the kit. LED pen light, 243 lumen, $9.99. And smart straps, 4-pack, 12 feet, tied down, $19.99. Got a clutch 4-piece adjustable wrench set, $19.99. Got a search strip with 2 USB ports, $19.99. A 117-piece drill drive bit set on a $17.99. It's a big set right there. I got a 600 lumen LED folding work light, $14.99. Driveway alert system, some sort of alert system here, $23.99. Alkaline batteries for $10. A Milwaukee 11-in-1 screwdriver for $9.99. I couldn't recommend these batteries because I don't have a Northern tool beside me. I'm just going over this because obviously they're tools and you guys could get them if you guys have a Northern tool near you. You got the Ironton 40-piece drill drivers bit set, $7.99. You got the tape measure, $4.99. It's not a bad deal for that tape measure. Our great gifts for the shop. Strongway safety protective cases, 9-inch case, $14.99. 16-inch case, $34.99. 20-inch case, $49.99. I need to get myself a shelf like this. You got an AR shelving, heavy duty 5-shelf garage shelving units, $99. Strongway 12 tier wire shelving rack. This is nice for electricians and people that do a lot of with smaller containers and stuff like that. $249 for that one. I need to get me a shop stool. If you guys know of a good stool, let me know. A seat, for the details or mechanics, brake jobs, whatever. You got the anti-fatigue puzzle mats, $9.99, and then you got the stool, shop stool, with tray, $27.99. You got the Rollins Mechanics Creeper, $29.99. I don't know what the quality is on this thing. The only thing I don't like about these, sometimes they're braced a little bit too much on this, and it'll, you'll feel those. You got a 24-pack of microfibers towels, $9.99. You got some white rags, shop rags, $13.99 for a 200 count. 50-foot outdoor extension cord, $49.99. Alright, you got a Schumacher fully automated wheeled battery charger with engine starter, it's $179. You got a smaller one here, maintained the Sofa Fire, for $19.99 with that one. Alright, you got a nice cart here. This isn't locking. This is very similar to the one from Harbor Freight, guys. Very similar, and you're not paying a lot. You're only paying $229. I believe that's cheaper than Harbor Freight's cart. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-drawer cart. Yes, it's just the same as the US General cart for $229. I think this is the much better deal. I would have to look at it in person though. Got the Northern Tool 69 aluminum cross truck box, $349. And guys, let us know in the comment section if you guys got any of these stores near you. If you guys like these stores, if you guys like any of the items that I mentioned here, let us know in the comment section whether you like them or whether you do not like them. Got the nitro coated work gloves, 99 cents. Lithium grease, $3.99. You got the 300 lumen motion activated solar lights beam. It looks like a camera. This is a nice decoy right there. Alright, so you got a Welding MIG 140 inverter, $229. Got some helmets, $49. This is a really good deal. I saw some at Tractor Supply and they're $69, so that's a good deal. You got some Lincoln accessories 10% off. You got a welding workstation, $279. You got some nice deals here. Clutch mechanics 189 piece for $129. It's a nice deal. Brake complete. So lots of good deals, guys. I'm not gonna keep going because there's a lot of stuff to go over. Got some nice sockets here at the bottom. You got the Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer. That's a nice set. You got the adapter set, $19.99. Definitely some great deals. What is that? A shop multi-tech 1,000 pound for the 1,000 capacity multi-purpose scaffold. All right, so you got the capacity drywall, 150 pound capacity panel hoist. It's a really nice thing to have, especially if you're doing some, drywall stuff. $199. This is actually a necessity because it's I don't know, unless you're very skilled, you're gonna get up on the ladder with that sheet and the nail or the screw gun. Crazy. You got a 4-piece brace. I've done it before. It's no fun. A 4-piece brace frame scaffold set, $299. You got the capacity steel 600 pound pneumatic truck, hand truck $59. This is actually a good deal for that one, considering the prices that are in today's prices. It's just crazy. Compact aluminum platform $29.99. Carpeted movers dolly $17.99. You got the forklift lifting straps $19.99. All right, so you got some nice trailers. I wish I had a store nearby. All right, so I might have some local deals here at the local stores. Carry-on 5x8 trailer with the rear gate ramp. This is actually a pretty good deal, $8.99. Definitely check that one out. Up to 600 pound or 1,600 pound load capacity, 2,000 pound gross weight. I got the 12 volts DC truck winch, $2.99. Got a 6 feet non-folding steel ramps. What else? You have 25% off on tires. Tow straps $19.99. Universal narrow body coupler lock $24.99. Aluminum cargo hauler $124. Lots of good deals here. Lots of good stuff. All right, you got some pressure washers, 3,200 psi, $299. 4,000 psi, $8.99. You got a 3,200 psi, $3.99. A 4,200 psi, $13.99. This is a big boy right here. Well, that'll definitely take your paint off or your skin off. 20-inch, 5,000 psi pressure washer surface cleaner, $4.99. You got 4,000. These are great if you guys got a pressure washer business. That'll be a just be careful with the pressure. That'll definitely take out some paint. I would just something like this I will see that'll be fine, unless you have like some heavy duty stuff you got to clean out. 20% off any heaters. Let's see what else. You got a strong weight propane patio heater, 45,000 BTU, $149. Got some boots, some safety, high visibility safety equipment. Let's see what else. Then we got the phone here going crazy. I don't know if it's the whatever. All right, so
could not find the menu that you are looking for now.
Oh my
Check
God.
search result or search it again in settings as search menu.
I hate this BizB thing. All right, so you got to choose your free with a purchase. So you do have to purchase, let's see, 449 Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2-tool cordless string trimmer blower kit. Choose one. Okay, so if you buy this kit this is actually a pretty good deal. You can get the post saw attachment or the edger. That's a really good deal because you are getting, I believe it looks like a 6 or an 8 amp, maybe an 8 amp hour battery. What it says right here should say right here. 8 amp hour battery, guys. You guys are getting a bigger battery with this one, so it's a good deal on that one. I got a single axle mesh utility trailer, 1,400 pound, $400. Wish I had an UTV so I could on my property. $8.99 for the power horse, 420cc 4-inch chipper shredder. You got a strong wave 1400-pound capacity jumbo wagon, 149. Instant garage, so $7.99. That's nice. All right, you got the service cart, $99.99. You got a professional beast series 5-gallon 2-in-1 wet and dry vacuum blower, $119. You got a low profile creeper, $29.99. These are plastic. They look like similar to the Harbor Freights. You got some pry bars. This is a nice pry bar set, $29.99. That's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. There's a lot more Black Friday videos coming up. Make sure you guys stay subscribed, stay tuned. Hit the like, hit the bell icon so we could buy more tools like this, make sure to review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.